Hi there, and welcome to Toon Talk English, Learn and Grow. I'm your host, and I'm really glad you're here. Today, we'll talk about a powerful technique that can really improve your English fluency. It's simple, but very effective. And it doesn't cost anything. What is it? It's the habit of thinking in English. This one skill can help you speak faster, more clearly, and more naturally. And the best part? You can practice it anywhere, anytime, even when you're alone. So, grab your tea or coffee, relax, and let's explore together how you can start thinking in English today. Let's begin with a simple question. Why should you think in English? Well, have you ever tried to speak English, but your brain was still thinking in your native language? You had to translate every word before you could say it? That takes time, doesn't it? And sometimes, the conversation moves too fast. You feel stuck. Now imagine this. What if your thoughts were already in English? You wouldn't need to translate. You could speak faster and with more confidence. Your brain would react in English, just like a native speaker. Thinking in English helps you improve your speaking fluency. Make faster decisions in English. Reduce grammar mistakes. Understand English more naturally. It's like switching your brain to English mode. Sounds great, right? So how do we actually do it? Let me show you how, step by step. We don't need to start with big, complicated sentences. We can begin with simple, clear thoughts. For example, look around you right now. What do you see? A cup? A phone? A window? Start by naming those things in English, in your mind. This is my phone. The window is open. It's raining outside. It's okay if your sentences are short. This is just the beginning. Next, describe what you're doing. I'm listening to a podcast. I'm drinking tea. I'm sitting on a chair. These small sentences help your brain get used to English. It's like building muscle memory for your mind. The best way to build the habit is to make it part of your daily routine. Let's say you're brushing your teeth. Instead of thinking in your native language, try to think in English. I'm brushing my teeth. I'll have breakfast after this. I need to leave in 15 minutes. If you're walking to school or work, I see a red car. The weather is cold today. I'm almost there. You don't need to speak out loud. Just think. Try to keep your thoughts in English for a few minutes. Then increase the time slowly. Start with 1 minute. Then try 3 minutes. Then 5 minutes. You'll be surprised how quickly you improve. Internal dialogue means the little voice in your head, your inner conversation. We all talk to ourselves. Let's do it in English. Ask yourself simple questions. What should I wear today? Should I take the bus or walk? What do I want for lunch? Then, answer those questions in English too. I'll wear the blue shirt. I think I'll walk. The weather is nice. Maybe I'll have noodles. This is a fantastic way to practice vocabulary and sentence structure. And again, you don't need a teacher or a partner. You can do it anytime, anywhere. Here's another fun method. Create imaginary conversations in your head. Imagine you're in a cafe. The waiter comes to you. You say, "Hi, can I get a cappuccino, please? Yes, 1 sugar. Thank you. Or maybe you're at the airport. Excuse me, where is gate 25? Do I need to check in my bag here? By imagining these real-life situations, you're training your brain to respond in English. And when the real moment comes, you'll feel more ready. Another powerful way to help your brain think in English is through input, what you read, watch, and listen to. Read short articles or books in English. Listen to English podcasts like this one. Watch YouTube videos or movies with English subtitles. But here's the trick: don't just read or listen. Try to connect the content to your life. For example, after watching a video about healthy food, think, what healthy food do I like? Should I cook vegetables for dinner? Turn passive English into active thinking. This will make English part of your thinking world. Set a time each day, even just 30 minutes, where everything you do is in English. During that time, think in English. Listen to English. Write your to-do list in English. Use English on your phone or computer. This English zone trains your mind to stay focused in one language. You can call it your English thinking hour. Try it every day for a week. You'll feel the difference. Now, maybe you're thinking, what if I don't know the words? That's okay. Just try to explain the idea using simple words. If you forget the word refrigerator, say, that cold machine where I keep my food. Over time, you'll learn the right word. But don't stop thinking. Keep going. What if I make grammar mistakes in my thoughts? No problem. The goal is not to be perfect. The goal is to think fluently. Mistakes will happen. But every time you practice, you get better. Let's do a quick review. Start small. Use simple English sentences in your head. Describe what you're doing, seeing, or planning. Use internal dialogue to make everyday choices. Imagine conversations in real-life situations. Read, listen, and connect English to your own life. Set an English hour each day. Don't worry about mistakes. Just keep thinking. The more you do it, the more automatic it becomes. Thinking in English is not just about learning, it's about living the language. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you feel inspired to start thinking in English. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to start. Every little thought in English is a step forward. Step by step, your brain will grow stronger. And soon, you'll speak more easily, more naturally, and more confidently. So keep practicing. Keep learning. And most of all, keep thinking in English. See you next time on English Journey, Learn and Grow. Take care and happy learning.